Hey everybody, and welcome back to Tech Talk with Sue. Today we're going to do something a little bit different, and I'm going to show you guys how to set up your account in YouTube and what you need to do in YouTube to make sure that you don't miss any of my videos. So navigate to youtube.com. You can search it, you can just type it in, and this is what it looks like when you get there. So what I want you to do, if you don't have an account, then you need to make one. You can't comment, you can't do anything without an account. So go to sign in, and it's going to say, oh, okay, create an account if you don't have one. Now you fill everything in. I'm going to pause and do it because I don't need to give away all of my information. So once you fill out your information, so you put your name, you put your email address, and you make up a password. So if you guys have trouble making passwords, you want to try to make them secure. So I would not use any family names, any family, phone numbers or anything like that, or birth dates. So try to come up with, someone taught me how to do really secure passwords once, and it's fascinating. So think of your favorite thing, like Pepsi. So you could do a number, so 5, and then you can do, a capital P, Pepsi with 2 eyes or something like that, and then another number. And you can add in an exclamation mark or something like that. The more you add in like that, the more secure it is. So make sure you don't do password 123, or please nobody do the Pepsi one that I just said, because that would be easy to crack now. But try to come up with something original and something secure. So once you do all that, then there's a little next button. I didn't show you guys all this, but you'll see it right in front of you. You hit next, and it wants you to verify your email address. What does that mean? That means you have to go into your email, and you will get a message, an email, and you need to verify it. So what it'll have you read it, and it will have a code there, and it's usually 6 numbers, but it could be anything. If you don't see it, it's pretty much immediate, but if you don't see it for some reason, check in your spam folder. Once you get that verification code, and mine was 6 digits, then you're on this screen, and this is all optional. You don't have to put any of this in, and if you don't want to, just go to next. Oh, it wants your birthday, so let's do this. November 24th, and I'm gonna blur out the year. You're only as young as you feel, right? Oh, and they want you to select gender, so there we go. And privacy terms, read through that, agree to it. It's all pretty easy so far. There's a lot of steps, and you're in. YouTube wants to show notifications. I'm going to say yes, thank you, and go up to the search, and we want to go to OML embroidery. We want to search for that, and here we go. Here we are, OML embroidery. Awesome. And what I want you to, oh, we got some voice there. It plays automatically. The first thing I want you to do is hit subscribe. And now we're subscribed. The other thing I want you to do is click notifications, so you will get a pop-up on the corner or an email letting you guys know that I put up a new video, which is pretty much every day except for the weekends. So awesome. So hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button. So once you do all of this subscription and everything, you can go and check out the videos. But here's an easy way of keeping track of all the videos that you want. You go to playlists, and we're going to go to the crazy quilting one, and we're going to pause that. And right here, and I'm going to zoom in, you can see all the videos that are there. Right here, you want to add it to your library. So once you have added it to your library, you can continue adding them. You can, add certain videos. You can make your own playlist, but Go back to the YouTube. Now mine says CA because I'm in Canada. And this is your library. So this is what we've saved in the library. This, you can see your subscriptions. So if you watched a video and you forgot to save it into a playlist, which is quite handy, you can go to your history. You can also watch them later, and if you like the videos, they'll show up here. So it's really easy. Now, if you don't have that tab, it's right there. So see these 3 lines here? That click it and it opens up. You will have all of your subscriptions and all of the information that you want. So it's really easy to use, and hopefully that will show you guys a little more how you can build up your library, because you can watch my videos as often as you want. You can pause, you can restart. There's no limitations to YouTube videos. And if you subscribe and you keep the playlist, keep them all. It doesn't matter. It makes it super easy to find and easy to review stuff. There's a lot of information in the videos, so you may want to go back and review them. So anyways, that's how it's done on YouTube. Hopefully this helps you guys out. If you have any more questions, make sure you ask in the OML Embroidery University Facebook group, and I can do another video or help you with anything you want to know with YouTube. So thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.